Good day everyone. We have a hydrogel screen protector for wristwatch here, bought from Temu. It's a 2-pack. One has already been used on this Lubini watch, Seagull Movement ETA 2128 clone, I think. And as you can see, there's hardly any sign of the screen protector attached to the crystal. And this hydrogel is ideal for convex crystals like this watch has. Now there might be a little overhang there. This is a 39mm, by the way. If you have the same watch, you could perhaps go by with 38mm, and then some edge of the crystal would still be exposed, but I think 38mm is what you want. And it's also very easy to install. The screen protector is stuck to the little transparent layer like this. So you just remove it with the spool sticker, and the semi-transparent yellow layer makes it extremely easy to centralize it. And once it's centralized, you just stick it, press it, rub it a bit, and then gently remove the yellow part. There might be a little bit of creases on the edge, but I suppose they will disappear with some wear and use. And thanks for watching.